Emerging trends in Agile coaching for CSMs in 2024. A major trend in Agile coaching for CSMs is a rise in tech use in coaching strategies. With the rise of remote work, CSMs are using tech tools to coach Agile teams across locations. Technology is greatly improving coaching for CSMs and their teams. Leadership evolution in Agile coaching. Another key trend in Agile coaching for CSMs is the change in leadership styles within Agile teams. As organizations focus on innovation, CSMs must show Agile leadership. They should foster a culture of continuous improvement and learning. This shift to adaptive leadership requires CSMs to guide Agile teams through projects. They must also inspire a mindset of agility and resilience in the organization. Agile transformation and organizational change. As businesses go digital, Agile transformation is now vital. It's key for staying competitive in 2024. CSMs lead change by using coaching techniques to promote Agile values and principles. CSMs are vital for successful Agile transformations. They help teams adopt an Agile mindset and practices. Agile coaching tools and techniques. In 2024, CSMs can use many Agile coaching tools and techniques. They can improve their coaching practices with them. CSMs can use Agile coaching tools. They can run effective coaching sessions with their teams. These include Agile coaching frameworks and models that promote an Agile mindset. By staying current on Agile coaching trends, CSMs can improve their skills. This will help them deliver better results for their organizations. Conclusion. In conclusion, as Agile methods shape organizations, the role of CSMs is now critical. They must coach Agile teams,